Imagine waking up one morning and realizing that everything you ever wanted, success, peace, love, happiness, was never locked outside of you. It was hidden inside you, waiting for you to believe. Yes, inside your mind lies a sleeping giant, your subconscious mind, the most powerful force you possess but rarely understand. Most people live their whole lives as prisoners of their own thoughts. They say, "I can't do it." And their subconscious replies, "You're right." They say, "I'm not good enough." And their mind quietly makes that statement a reality. But what if you could flip the switch? What if the same mind that limits you could set you free? Every single thought you think plants a seed in the fertile soil of your subconscious. And that soil doesn't judge, it doesn't ask whether the seed is good or bad. It simply grows what you plant. If you keep feeding your mind fear, doubt, and insecurity, that's exactly what will grow in your life. But if you feed it faith, confidence, and vision, your life will begin to mirror that belief. Your subconscious mind is like a loyal servant. It listens to every word you say and every emotion you feel. It takes your inner world and turns it into your outer reality. That's why thoughts are not just invisible whispers, they are the blueprint of your future. Think about it. Every great invention, every success story, every miracle started in someone's mind. The light bulb was first a thought. Airplanes, phones, skyscrapers all began as an image in someone's subconscious. Before becoming real, your mind has that same power. Let's get real. The reason most people never achieve their dreams is because they keep programming their mind with fear. What if I fail? What will people say? Maybe I'm not meant for greatness. These thoughts become commands, and your subconscious, faithful and obedient, follows them. But here's the truth life tries to hide from you. You're meant for more. That small voice inside that says, "I can do better. I can rise higher. I can change my story." That is your subconscious calling out to you, waiting for you to reprogram it with belief, love, and courage. When you start saying, "I am limitless," your mind begins searching for proof. When you affirm, "Everything I need is already within me," your subconscious aligns your actions and energy with that truth. But this doesn't happen overnight. You must train your mind daily, just like you train your body. Start every morning with thoughts of gratitude and power. Visualize your goals as if they've already happened. Speak life into your dreams. Repeat success in your mind until it becomes your reality, because the subconscious doesn't understand future or past. It only understands now. So every positive thought you think today is shaping the life you live tomorrow. There was once a man who failed countless times, lost everything, and was mocked by the world. But each night before sleeping, he repeated to himself, "I am destined for greatness." He didn't have money, he didn't have support, but he had belief. And slowly, his subconscious began guiding him, revealing ideas, opportunities, and strength he didn't know he had. Years later, that man stood on stages, inspiring millions. That's the power you hold, the same mind, the same potential, the same magic within you right now. So the next time fear whispers, "You can't," smile and reply, "Watch me." The next time doubt says, "You're not enough," say, "I already am." Because you don't have to search for power. You were born with it. You just have to awaken it by believing in yourself deeply, by feeding your mind with faith instead of fear, and by remembering this simple truth. You become what you constantly think about. So think abundance, think strength, think success. Because once your subconscious believes it, your entire world will start reflecting it. Your mind is not your enemy. It's your most powerful tool. Use it wisely and it will open doors you never knew existed.